This is the best way to scrape email addresses from Instagram. No setup, no coding, no risky browser extensions. With just a few clicks, you can collect thousands of verified emails and even phone numbers. Let me show you how it works. First, head over to igemailscraper.com. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up or use Login with Google to jump in faster. New users get 50 free credits to test it out, no credit card needed. Once you're in, you'll see a few scraping options. Hashtag user followers, user following, and more. For this demo, I'll use user followers. It's perfect for targeting a competitor's audience or fans of a brand in your niche. Let's say I have a plugin for Shopify. Shopify's followers are likely e-commerce store owners, ideal prospects, so I'll enter Shopify as the target username. Next, I'll choose how many profiles to scan. I'll set it to 100 for this example. You can scale it up later depending on your plan. Now, hit confirm and let the tool do its thing. You'll see real-time logs as the scraper runs. It's cloud-based, so even if you close your browser or shut your laptop, it keeps working in the background. What makes this tool stand out? All the emails are automatically verified in real time using a built-in validation system. That means no bounces, no fake emails, and better deliverability when you launch your cold email campaigns. It also has duplicate detection, so if you've scraped someone before, you won't waste credits scraping them again. Simple, efficient, and clean. Once it's done, you'll see the results in your dashboard. From there, you can export everything to a CSV file. You can even apply filters, like exporting only verified emails. And the exported data isn't just emails. You also get full name and username, bio and bio links, whether the email is valid or not, phone number if available, and more. And if you already have an email list from another source, you can use the manual email validation tool built right into the app. Just upload your list and the system will clean and verify each address for you, making sure you're not sending to invalid, fake, or risky emails. This is super important before launching any cold email campaign because sending to bad emails can tank your sender score, trigger spam filters, or even get you blacklisted. With IG Email Scraper, you can handle everything in one place. No need for expensive third-party validation tools. I see a lot of people using browser extensions to scrape emails from Instagram, but honestly, I don't recommend it. Most of those tools require your personal Instagram login, which puts your account at serious risk. They're usually slow, limited, and can easily get your account flagged or banned. Let's quickly recap what IG Email Scraper gives you. No proxies, no Instagram accounts, no setup needed. 100% cloud-based, runs while you sleep. Real-time and manual email validation built in. Filters out duplicates automatically, full data, emails, bios, phone numbers, and more. Fast, safe, and ready for cold outreach. That's it. If you're ready to start scraping verified leads from Instagram, try it free at igemailscraper.com, 50 credits waiting. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll reply personally. Happy scraping.